the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the cat put on his favorite suit and with 4 big colorful round groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness no! Buttons came and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 3 groovy buttons. My 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no! Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 2 groovy buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness no! Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 1 groovy button. My 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness no! Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button, and he kept on singing his song. My button still had my belly button. My button still had my belly button. It's all good. I guess it's simple goes to show that show will come and stop will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We kept on singing. Buttons come and buttons go.